Hi guys, it's Anne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. We're going to poach an egg in the microwave today. This is super easy and it always comes out perfect. It's great for when you want a poached egg, but you don't want to take the time to swirl the water and all the fun stuff. You pop it in the microwave and in 1 minute, your breakfast is ready. It'll take you longer to toast your bread than to make your egg. Okay? So, if you haven't subbed and you would, thank you so much for that. Turn on the notification button so you won't miss out on anything. We have videos coming all the time. And also, if you like this video, a big thumbs up, please. And I'd love for you to comment and tell me if you know, what you think of this video. That'd be awesome. Let's make this. So these are the important tips for this to work. You need to have room temperature water. We're going to measure half a cup of room temperature water into this ramekin. We're going to salt the water. And we're going to add our egg. Careful not to break the yolk, okay? Oh, perfection. We're going to carefully place our egg inside the microwave and cook it for 1 minute. So here's the thing with this. Every microwave is different. Mine is 1 minute and it's perfect. So if you want to start playing with this, I would suggest that you start it at 45 seconds and then just add the remaining seconds so that it doesn't cook too much, okay? If you leave it in the warm water, it'll continue cooking. So take it out as soon as you can. Another thing, if you don't have a slotted spoon, take it out carefully with a fork or a spoon, and you could always put it on top of a paper towel to drain. So we're just gonna put it on our bread, and let's see. Oh, perfection. If you like your yolk harder, cook it longer. This is how I like mine, runny and oh, that creamy yolk, delicious, yeah. Perfect, perfect egg all the time. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.